is Modesty and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a mini Ulta haul first impressions video. I haven't done something like this in a little bit, so that'd be a lot of fun. I stopped at Ulta a couple of days ago, just picked up a few things, nothing like crazy, like I didn't even spend $100, like nothing crazy, but I do like doing first impressions for you guys, so I thought I would go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I got before we dive into the video. So the first thing, the main reason I went in there was I needed some more Morphe setting spray. I wanted to get two because whenever I go I buy two, but they only had one, so I bought the last one that they had, and I actually need to spray really quickly because I did do my base. I picked up another Morphe setting spray. I think in like a week or two I'm gonna go check to see if they have more and pick up some more because I do go through them pretty quickly because I refresh my makeup all of the time. So then the next thing I checked out was the lipsticks from Morphe. I'm starting to like be more into lipsticks instead of liquid lipsticks. I still love my liquid lipsticks, of course, but I wanted, you know, to try out another formula of lipsticks because I'm just so stuck on my Anastasia ones, my MAC ones, my Younique ones, and then my Kylie Jenner. I have one Kylie Jenner one. I love the formula. So I'm kind of stuck on those, and I want to try out the Morphe actual lipsticks because I've heard a lot of good things. I love the packaging. I thought it was intriguing. So I picked up two shades. I picked up the shade Tease, which is a really pretty, it's one of their Ultra Mattes. It's a really pretty, like, vibrant orangey red. I thought this would be really pretty and fun for the spring and summer. I don't really have a shade of a red like this. It's the one that I have from, actually I'll show you guys. The thing that it was kind of similar to was the Kylie Jenner one, but in the shade Tangerine. But you'll see the Kylie Jenner one has a lot more orange in it, and the one from Morphe is a lot more red, but it's still more orange toned, if that makes sense. So it's like an orangey red, not a blue red. So I picked up that color in the shade Tease, and then I also picked up Honey, which I thought was like the perfect nude. And this is a regular matte, so it's not one of the Ultra Mattes, so it glides on a little easier. It's just like the perfect beigey nude without being too brown, not too pink, but I want to see how it's going to look on my lips because things swatch way different than they look on the lips simply because of your pH balance and everything like that, and like your previous, like your actual lip color can help alter that. So I picked up these two lipsticks along with the setting spray, and then I always pop through their brushes because I'm always updating my brushes. I am a freelance makeup artist, so I go through brushes like freaking pancakes. So there was this one brush I stopped. I was like, wait, what? It is a duo fiber. It's a dual fiber crease brush. I was like, excuse me? So I got it out of pure curiosity, so I'm going to be trying this brush out today. It's the Morphe M461. I've literally never seen a dual fiber crease brush. I only see dual fiber face brushes. I mean, I'm sure they're out there. I just personally never seen them. So I picked up this brush right here, and then two things I got from Juvias Place because they were doing a you get 3 times the points. Oh dude, I didn't activate it. Shoot. Whatever. So anyways, this is why I stopped at Juvias Place, and because I'm, you know, really into color. I never tried Juvias Place highlighters before, so I got volume 3, the Tribe highlighter volume number 3. I did swatch it on my vlog channel, so if you guys follow my vlog channel, by the way, if you are not subscribed, you totally should be. You guys have seen this whole haul already, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys here on my main channel. It's just so pretty looking. My goodness. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to use that. And then the other thing I got from Juvias Place, because I've been so into color recently, if you guys haven't noticed, I wasn't a huge fan of the formula for colors in the James Charles palette, so I've been like searching around for ones that I really like, and I found that I love the formula of the Juvias Place products. So I'm gonna be trying out her colors. I really loved the Riviera palette from Anastasia. That one was really good, but I want to see how she does with colors. So I picked up the Zulu by Juvias Place. So I picked up this palette. That is everything that I picked up from Ulta, so let's just go ahead. I already did everything else on my face. Let's go ahead and dive right into the first impressions. Alright, so I have zoomed you guys in, and I did already prime my eyes. I used my Victorious Cream Shadow from Younique. I love priming my eyes with this. It's very similar to MAC Painterly Paint Pot, just a more mineral base, so it's going to be better for your skin. So I go ahead and I use this one, and I don't need to set it or anything because it dries to a powder finish. so it's already preset. I just like, I'm literally so intrigued by this brush right here. I do need transition shade though, you guys. So I'm just gonna pick up, I'm gonna just jump right into my Younique palette right here, and I'm just gonna start out with the shade Idealistic, just to prime, not to prime, just to put on a transition shade. I'm trying out the brush, you guys. It was like so intriguing, although I'm not really noticing it with a lighter shade. Let me just prime my, why does I keep saying prime, you guys? Let me just add my transition shade with a regular brush. Hang on. I'm going the shade Idealistic. It's literally my favorite transition shade. And I'm just doing this simply because there is no transition shade in this palette. I feel like this is a palette you're supposed to use with other stuff. So I just need a quick transition shade. You guys, I'm sorry, I cannot talk today. By the way, let me know if my video quality has improved at all. I did change the settings on my camera, and I actually am testing out the autofocus. I know the T3 eyes aren't meant for autofocus, but I did notice there was an autofocus setting, and I know it's not going to be like, oh, autofocus, but I'm thinking what it is, it's like if I move around like an inch or two, I'm not going to go out of focus like I was before. So let me know if the entire time I'm in focus in the comments, just so I can see if it's actually making a difference or if it's just more crisp. That would be so helpful, you guys, if you could let me know in the comments. Purples, pinks, and like oranges and stuff, just because I did just do, like, there was a lot of blue on my lid when I used the Riviera palette. Alright. Let's try this brush out correctly. This is the Morphe M461. It was really intriguing because it is a dual fiber eye brush. So strange. I'm starting out with this yellow here. It doesn't really have a name, just the yellow. I am just going to buff this into my crease. I'm starting out with this for the yellow because I wanted it to be a little bit more subdued, so I can kind of treat the yellow as a transition shade. So that was what I'm doing with this brush, and it's actually really working. I expected it to be like if I used this yellow with another brush, I feel like it would have been more high impact, but I just wanted it to, so actually I kind of like this brush because you can use pigments essentially as transition shades. I like that. That's so cool. I'm digging this brush. Like, it's not something I would typically pick up, but I am glad I picked it up because that is dope. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit with the orange as well before I actually increase the orange pigment. Just to slowly transition the... This is a really cool brush, you guys. Holy crap. This is seriously not a brush I would have reached for, but this is super neat, you guys. Just to slowly build, you know, bright colors like this. I'm kind of loving that. I feel like I've been playing with so much color, you guys. I hope you guys don't mind. I do want to get back to doing like more neutral looks or wearable looks, but I'm just having so much fun with color. I'm just trying to live my best life right now, and if that means playing with color a lot, then you know what? More power to me, right? Alright, so that is enough for that brush. I kind of like that. That's a lot of fun. I think that it did a good job at distributing super bright colors in a more subdued manner. So now I'm going to go in with regular brushes because I do want to build this up, and I'm going to be going back in with the orange and picking it up on the Morphe M433. And yeah, you see the difference already? That is wild. That's cool, you guys. I recommend a brush like that when you're trying to do colorful looks and you don't want to go... honestly, I feel like it's just going to make the blending process easier. That is what I think it's going to do. Because I can keep the higher impact lower, but it still looks nice and blended upwards. So I am here for that brush. Ooh, this looks pretty right here. I think I'm gonna play around with that. Let me grab a flat brush. I'm gonna grab my MAC 242. Nothing beats it to this day. There we go. Okay, so you gotta use the finger with that one. But that's a fun color. Pretty, you guys. I like this. What do you guys think? That's really pretty. Super pretty. I am going to see what Fix Plus does. So I did pick up some more of that shimmer. I'm going to spritz my brush. And I'm going to be picking up this pink right here. I'm going to go back to that dual fiber brush because I loved what that was doing. Because I know this is going to be super bright, but I don't want it to be super intense. I'm just kind of mixing it with the orange to play in with the lid a little bit more. Yeah, that's fun. Guys, I love makeup. I'm adding a little bit more of the yellow to bring a little bit more interest to my crease. Okay, I'm going to be moving on to the lower lash line now. So I'm going to be picking up the pink. And I really want to bring that down. And then I'm going to take a tight lining brush. This is the Morphe M432. I'm going to be picking up the purple right here. And then I'm going to be going right here on the lash line. Alright, I'm going to take a little pencil brush and I am going to go in with this really pretty turquoise shimmer. And I am going to spritz my brush just to give it a little bit of tackiness. And I'm just going to bring that down here. Basically, I'm highlighting my inner corner, but with a blue. So that is it for the eyeshadow. I do want to highlight my brow bone, but I'm going to be doing that with a highlighter, I think. So that is it for the eyeshadow. I do want to pop on some lashes and some mascara really quickly. Alright, so now we are going to be trying out this highlighter. I'm so excited. This is literally a brand new formula to me. I have never tried her highlighter. So let me find a highlighting brush. Here we go. See? Oh man. I was not prepared for that. Holy crap. Okay, I gotta blow that out. That is wild. Let's try out some lips, you guys. Yes, yes, yes. Let me put these brushes away. I'm trying my hardest to be a clean person when it comes to me filming because my office can be like spotless and then by the time I'm done filming it's just a disaster. And I'm trying my hardest not to be that person anymore. I feel like I'd probably go straight for the Kylie Jenner one for this. But, or do I want to keep it nude today? I don't know. I could literally go any direction with this. So let me just try both. I'll try both on. Let me try out the bright one first. Oh wow. So this is Morphe and Tease. That's mad. It's actually really matte. It's actually hard to apply. Alright, so this is the look with the Morphe Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Tease. Pretty, but not really my vibe right now. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys the same, but this is just a regular matte in the shade Honey. I feel like it'd be really fun for like pop on a gloss on top or something, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty. I like that. And it goes okay with the look. So, alright guys, so that's it for this makeup look and this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Clearly, I am living for this look. I am obsessed. I am going to take tons of pictures of it so that, you know, a picture lasts forever kind of thing. I don't know if I'd ever be able to recreate this, but I'm just living for this blue, this purple, the yellow, the orange, like a little bit of rose. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Okay, definitely check out all these products. Everything's a 10 out of 10. No notes. I love this lipstick. Is super duper pretty. I will keep you guys posted on the lasting time of them. I'm so happy with this makeup, you guys. I'm super inspired. I've just been having so much fun with color. I hope you guys don't mind. It's just been, you know, it's spring, it's summer. I'm just having a ton of fun, living my best life. So yeah, that is everything. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed it, also make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not. Also subscribe to my vlog channel, link below. And my kids are fighting, so I gotta go. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.